Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use my Wave Transition Pack for Premiere Pro 2021. You can download this pack from the link in the description section below. And this transition pack, this Wave Transition Pack works only for version 2021 of Premiere Pro. If you have the earlier version of the Premiere Pro, this will not work. Alright, so in order to make it work, you have to have the Premiere Pro 2021 latest version, which is around 15.0 or later. And before we go any further, I would like to introduce you to my best seamless transition pack. If you are interested, you can download this best seamless transition pack from the link in the description section below, and you will get the early bird discount. This transition pack is very amazing. It has the zoom transition, spin transition, glitch transition, pan transition, and light leaks, and more updates would be coming soon, which would be available to you if you buy it right now. After you download this pack, Wave Transition Pack, you will get this GIF file, something like this. So you need to extract it using any ungif software like WinRR or 7GIF. So right click and select the extract to Wave Transition Pack, and then you will get these files inside it. So these are 10 transitions. So this is a pack of 10 transition. Thereafter, what you have to do, you have to launch the Premiere Pro, and thereafter you need to go to the Windows and select the Essential Graphics, and that way this would be available right over here on the right hand side, or maybe somewhere around here. And thereafter, what you have to do, you have to click on this little hamburger menu, and over here you will find this option, Manage Additional Folders, and over here you need to click on the Add, and then you need to browse that Wave Transition Pack wherever you have downloaded it. So this is the folder, Wave Transition Pack. So just need to select this folder, and then you need to click on this, select this folder, and thereafter you will see this folder right over here. So you will see the location, Wave Transition Pack, and thereafter you need to press OK. And now you will see these transitions, these wave transitions right over here, which are available. But if you don't find them, just search for the wave and you will get this option, and then all the wave transitions would be available for you. Alright, so now what you have to do, you have to simply just click and drag over your sequence or between your two clips. So this is in 4K resolution, so this supports 4K resolution. So if your sequence is of low resolution, just right click and select scale to frame size, and that way that would be scaled to the frame size. And make sure that the middle of this transition should be between the cut of two clips. And now if you'll just play it, boom. So this is how it works. This is the first one. So let me show you the second one. So this is the second one. So let's play it. Alright, so if you want, you can just scale it to the frame size as well. So that way you will get to the more waves. And if you go to the edit of this option, in the edit option you have the option to change the colors of this wave. So you can just make it bright red, something like this. You can change this as well, and now you get this red wavy transition. Alright, so that's the second one, and let's go for the third one. So this is the third one. Let me show you. Right click, scale to frame size, and let's play it. Okay, and you can customize the colors of this as well. So let me show you some more. So this is the ninth one. Let's play it. You'll see, okay, you need to scale it to the frame size because my resolution is 1920 by 1080. So let's play it. Boom. So that's the 9th, and let's go for this one. Right click and scale to frame size, and let's play it. Boom. So these are all transitions. So these are 10 transitions. This is a very amazing transition pack. Just download it and don't forget to leave the review of the transition pack. And do remember that this transition pack works only with 2021 version 15.0. So you have to have the Adobe Premiere Pro version 15.0 or the later version. Otherwise, this is not going to work. You can download this transition pack from the link in the description section below. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. Please consider sharing this video with others and hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.